So this is the image I'm going to use, and now I'm going to show you 3 ways to add borders to images in Affinity. So the first way, select the layer here, this one here, click on FX here, the layer effects. Now I'm going to move the layer effects window to the right, select the outline, click on it, and then select it. I'm going to change the color of my borders here, so I want white borders. I'm going to change it to white. And now make sure to change the alignment to inside. And now I'm just going to increase the radius. So here it is. And now as you can see, it stops at 100, but you can still increase it. So let's say I'm going to increase to 300. Press enter. So now I'm going to exit. Control Z to undo. For the second method, I'm going to scale down this layer here. So let's select the move tool. And now in order to scale it from the center here, proportionally hold the control key and then scale it down. So here it is. And now I'm going to add a new fill layer. So go to pixel and then click new fill layer. So here you can change, for example, the fill layer. Make sure to select the fill layer, and then here you can change the color. So for example, I'm going to place it under my layer. So here it is, and now you can change it. For the third method, I'm going to Control Z to undo. I'm going to bring it back as before. So for the third method, I'm going to increase the canvas size. So go to Document, Setup, select Resize, and then select Canva. And now make sure to uncheck the chain icon here. For the anchor here, I'm going to click on the middle one, so it will keep my layer here in the middle when increasing the size of the Canva. And now, for example, you can change the size here of the width. This is the width, so you can do calculations. So for example, I will type plus 100, press enter, and then left click here, plus 100, press enter, and then click on resize. And now, just as before, I'm going to add a new fill layer. Go to pixel, select a new fill layer, and then just place it under the background layer. So here it is.